I'm Ali Davis, and I'm the mediator. As always, I've taken a few hours to prepare for the mediation. I've read the position statements and the various other documents, such as the franchising agreement. All of this helps me get an overview, but of course I don't form any opinions or assess the legal positions. I've identified who will be attending on both sides and have determined they have the necessary decision-making power and legal authority to settle the case. I've also made sure there are no court limitation periods running. In this case, the date for the next papers to be filed has been adjourned to facilitate this mediation. I've had brief phone calls with both parties' lawyers to arrange the logistics. I've also made sure I have no obligations as regards writing any reports for the court. This can be required in some countries, but it's not the case here. It's important that the room is set up correctly. It's always a tense session. And I want to make people as comfortable as possible right from the start.